The iPhone 15 Ultra is reportedly Apple's aim to take its line of high-end smartphones to a new level. There are several mock-ups based on schematics and rumors about what to anticipate from the upcoming handset. However, we now get a glimpse of what the smartphone could seem to be in the real world courtesy to a YouTube movie called Unbox Therapy that shows what appears to be a 3D model of the iPhone 15 Ultra. The width of the bezels has changed significantly, as demonstrated in the image below, in addition to the inclusion of a USB-C connector to replace Lightning. Despite the fact that it was tough to measure, Hilsinger utilized a set of digital calipers to calculate a measurement of 1.55 mm, which is a significant decrease from the 2.17 mm frame on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. "It has an effect," he said. "It definitely have a futuristic sense. The handset seems to be a little bit smaller as well." Hilsinger measured both handsets using the same caliper. The 14 Pro Max was 77.68 mm broad, while the 15 Ultra model was 76.66 mm wide. It may not seem like much, but it does seem to fit comfortably in the hand. This may be due to a little curve where the edge of the phone wraps around the front and rear panels. Hilsinger originally seemed unhappy that the camera setup is almost comparable to that of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, dispelling rumors of a significant improvement in photography. However, the phone measured 8.3 mm after the digital calipers were pulled out a third time, which is bigger than the 14 Pro Max's 7.91 mm. That, he argues, indicates that part of the new camera's bulk may be hidden within. It may also imply a battery with a little more mass. Hilsinger appeared intrigued by the model's brushed metal, possibly titanium, casing and matte surface on the rear, but unlike the measurements and ports, these specifics may have been made up by the manufacturer. Rest assured, however, that if it appears in the actual thing, the iPhone 15 Ultra will look excellent. Last but not least, it seems that the recognizable controls on the side of the handset are altering. The clicky mute switch has been replaced with a button, and the volume controls have been combined into one long rocker. This seems to be evidence that the use of haptic buttons is not appropriate for this generation. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.